How are you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. So this one is a 2022 on a 22 plate. It's only done 1,442 miles. It is a new and improved one. Basically this has taken over the Z1000 SX and now it's called the Ninja 1000 SX. So you still get the same LED light, you still get ABS and traction, and you get the cool adjustable screen. This cameraman's running off. Adjustable screen there. But now you get the full colour TFT display, you get different power modes, you get cruise control. This one's got the factory fitted heated grips, you get a quickshifter, you get a blipper. But yeah, really nice, clear TFT display. They're a little bit smaller as well, but they're a lovely bike. This one's got the 2-box luggage, obviously same as last one, all rackless, and the rear seat on it has had a bit more padding as well put in for a passenger. It's a lovely bike, really low mileage. Obviously you've still got the remainder of the Kawasaki warranty. I think that's it, everything to say. It's a beautiful bike in superb condition, so if you want to save yourself a fortune, give us a call, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get this bad boy bought. Thank you for watching, cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.